You can sort a range of cells. Usually I find that to be if I have a list and I would like to look at them in a particular order. So here I've got my students, and if I had a much larger list, it would be hard for me to locate them if they were not in alphabetical order. So I'm going to come up here and select column A, and then come up to data, and then sort my sheet by this column from A to Z, so in alphabetical order. And when I do that, you'll notice that since I'm doing the entire sheet, the data that is with each student will stay with them. So take a look. Esmeralda has a 1 and Tanisha has a 4. So when on their first pretest here, when I sort the entire sheet by that column, their scores have stayed with them, and Esmeralda still has a 1 and Tanisha still has a 4. Now, there is a little bit of a glitch that you might come across. Now, you can tell I've already frozen my row at the top. But if I had not done that, so I'm going to go ahead and select that row and come up to view, and I am going to unfreeze that row. If I were going to sort this column, now I've already done it alphabetically, so I'm going to go ahead and do it in reverse alphabet. Watch what happens. My headings, because there was nothing here in this first column, have been shifted to the bottom. So you have to be careful when you're sorting. You definitely would want to freeze what you had. I'm going to go ahead and undo that and undo again so I have the frozen, and then that will not be altered in the freezing or in the data sort. It will stay right where it is, and you're just sorting the remainder.